Samima Sultana Hazarika. Today I am present with owner of KUHI Enterprise, Mr. Asif Iqbal. Hello.
Hello.
Glad to meet you.
Thank you. Same here.
Thank you. Can you give a brief description about you and your company?
As you already told my name is Asif Iqbal.
Okay.
I live in Nakasari and a place from Jorhat district. And about KUHI Enterprise, actually after first lockdown in the year 2020, we registered a firm in the name of KUHI Enterprise, and as a result of this lockdown, we come to a conclusion that any kind of business can be hampered by lockdown or any such kind of incident. So we planned in a very short term, and we come to a conclusion that we must have to deal with food items. So KUHI Enterprise mainly deal with food items those are very own product of Assam. That's all.
Thank you. What are the products you are dealing with and where do you sell?
Well, our main product is king chilli. In local name, we call it BHOOT Jolokiya.
Okay.
King chilli is considered as one of the most hottest chilli in the world, and it is our blessing that Northeast is the only place where king chilli can be grown. And as a very recent news is that central government has a scheme that every district has its own product, like one district and one product, and Jorhat district has this king chilli, and as a citizen of Jorhat district, king chilli is our main product, and along with that we are selling several items like rice, other pickles like bamboo pickles, amla pickles, green chilli, and also we have curry patta powder that is naturally grown in our gardens.
Okay.
And several things. And we are selling both the online and offline market. Offline market is not very potential during these days, and so we are targeting the online markets like Amazon, Flipkart, Miso, and Snapdeal. We already have account there, and we receive regularly some order every day, and generating a very good revenue from there also. So we are happy with this.
Okay. Come to the next question. What is your future plan?
We are planning to set up a factory where we can dry this king chilli, make flakes and powder out of it, and also extracting seeds. Seeds also give a very good, handsome revenue. It has a very good demand, and most important part is that we are trying to generate some employment, and again we have local farmers, those who grow this king chilli, but they are suffering in a way that they cannot make some market, and they do not, if they don't get the market, then they can't sell their products. So we are trying to purchase their product, and we are trying to giving them market, as I have a requirement of minimum 5 ton every year for now.
Okay.
And in future we are trying to grow with the time. So with like this, KUHI Enterprise also generates some employments, and trying to help village farmers also.
Thank you. Do you want to give any message for our youth?
Yeah, look, we live in Assam. Assam and Northeast is very fertile. Any kind of seed, you just throw it out. It will germinate definitely. So I must say that if you are looking for any kind of job, then it is not mandatory that you have to do job. You can do business also.
Yes.
And if you want to do something, some kind of business, then look into your surroundings. You have many things. You can get anything from nature that is maybe free of cost for you also, like bamboo, like you can do the business of king chili, like I am doing that right now. So look into your surroundings, think how can you make it commercialize, and one thing is that you have to be professional. That's it.
Okay. Thank you for giving your valuable time and all the best for your future.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.